Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing this really simple and easy look which is perfect for a lunch date, for a brunch or for any daytime event. I'm also trying out something new in this video. I'm trying out violet colored lenses. Now I've tried the grays, the browns and I love them, but I wanted to try something a little different for this video and I chose these violet ones by Bausch and Lomb from the Lacelle premium range. These are really comfortable. These are powered. You can also get them without power if you don't have a prescription, and you get them in loads of different colors as well as designs. So I'm going to start off by filling in my eyebrows. I like doing them a little heavier these days just so they frame my face really well. So I've done a pencil and then a brow gel. Now for the eyes, I'm actually using this face palette. So I'm using that color which is supposed to be a blush, but I'm using it as an eyeshadow all over the lid. I'm also using that same color along my lower lash line. So this way the color sort of frames your eyes, it brings out the color of your eyes, and this is sort of my favorite technique for doing a simple and quick look. Using the same color as a blush to add a little bit of a healthy color to my cheeks, and then using a slightly violet purpley tone highlighter just to match with my lenses for this look. Mascara is super important to me because I like highlighting my eyes, and you can see I'm not doing any liner for this look, but just curling your lashes well and using a mascara can open up your eyes, brighten them and make them look more awake and fresh. And coming to the last step, which is the lip, I'm using this creamy rosy color. I love this color because I feel it looks natural, it adds color to my face, but it still looks very soft, and I love the creamy formula. I find it really moisturizing. So that is the final look. I'm going to list all the products including the lenses I have used in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.